Well, good morning once again, everyone. Scott Bayens with Scott Bayens Properties, Aspen, Snowmass, Sotheby's, and once again, we're in Aspen's incomparable West End, right here on the corner of West Smuggler and 8th. And wow, what a project we've got going on here, and we've made great progress. I want to show you. We're here at 825, 837 West Smuggler. Two brand new builds, brand new construction, mountain contemporary, lots of class and mixed media, and it seems to be what everyone wants right now. I'm co-listed with Craig Morris. I've had a video or two where I forget to add that, but I want to thank Craig. And boy, we are busy right now with this market right now is really, it's historical. What we're seeing in terms of days on market, things come up, then they go, brand new things, even things that you wouldn't think are really on the high quality end. Lots of folks want to be here. In terms of high quality though, it doesn't get any better than this. Okay, just the corner here. We do have some construction fence, but that is West Smuggler. I want to get my bearings. And the reason I show this to you is that we're on a fully residential corner. You got homes on every single corner, and now we've got homes on this one. And I just want to point out that we are a 5-minute walk to the famous music tent, the Aspen Ideas Festival. And you certainly can walk to downtown, but if you get on your bike, you're 5 minutes away. So just a fantastic location in terms of what we're doing here. Right here on the corner is 837. These are both priced at $7,995, just over $2,000 a square foot. And boy, that's competitive too. You can see we've made good progress if you've tuned in before. We've got that mixed media looks on the outside, stucco and glass and the wood siding there, if you can take or peek that up. And just really starting to come together. Nice little front area to sit on. There's going to be a nice lawn in here and some landscaping. There's a really nice landscaping plan, sprinklers and lighting, etc. And then it's going to be harder to see this. I'll try to step back a bit. Want to make sure I'm within the Wi-Fi here. But that's a look, if I can get up there just a little bit, that's a look at what we call 825. Beautiful cantilevered ceilings, lots of architectural design there that people like. And here we are. Front door. Let's take you inside. 825 West Smuggler. All right, front door, here we go. And what you're looking at here in terms of configuration is 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath house with a full bonus room downstairs. Huge, you'll see that. And obviously we're in active construction zone. The guys may, pepper around a bit. But again, 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath with an additional bonus room downstairs and another 3/4 bath. So I'll be sure to show you all that. As we walk in the front door here, you just look to the right side. I'll see if I can't get this camera to cooperate. It's just a white wall for now, but you can probably get a sense that this is where you put a bench. Now it wants to cooperate. And, a piece of artwork, and come on in. This would be your formal entrance, okay? This hallway goes all the way down, stairs off to the left, but I've got bedroom number 1 and 2 and 3, all en suite down here that I'll show you. We've got a laundry room, and straight back is the 2-car garage. Boy, how many people have a beautiful big 2-car garage? And then the living area, the kitchen, another bedroom upstairs. So let's quickly take you into the master here. And again, we've got a couple guys hanging out here. Look what's going on. We're putting the fireplace in. And each of the master bedrooms in both homes have a nice gas appliance. And above that, you'll have a flat screen TV, of course. And that'll be specific to every room and in the living room. Guys, you're fine. You're fine, no problem. Oh, okay. Thank you. And so to give you a sense of what we're seeing here, nice 2 window setup, lots of nice light. And your ceilings throughout are about 9 feet. As we get upstairs, we'll get up to 14, and we'll show you that. But really, spectacular setup. So here's your master bath. And as you can see, we're working on there's the big soaking tub there. Here is your commode, private. And then you've got his and her counters, sinks, backlit mirrors. And then we're beginning to work on, probably hard to see, but a really nice glass tile for a European shower, European glass, and there will be a steam feature in this master. So in terms of your closet, of course, walk in. We don't yet have the finishes here, but every single closet will be finished really nicely with a pine type of system with shelving and hanging spaces and self-closing drawers. But you'll access this spacious master closet through what is the master bathroom. Thank you, excuse me, appreciate it. These guys are working hard. Completion dates on these pushed back just a little bit because of COVID and a busy summer. But right now, this home's scheduled for completion sometime in October, and we sure are hoping for a September finish on the one on the corner. So nice little feature here. That's a dumbwaiter. And so when you come in, what's usually your setup here in the garage, then you just come right in here with your groceries, pop those in there, pop them upstairs. And in terms of the bonus room downstairs, which I'll show you here at the end of the tour, you know, pop a couple cases of wine down there for the bar. So, you know, great for luggage too, you know, just an easy way. So, oops, I'm going a little too fast here. We were at bedroom number 1, as I called it. That's the master. Then over here is your first guest, bedroom number 2. And as you can see, again, very nice and spacious. Not quite as large or generous as the master, of course, but a great, great space for, you know, your kids or your guests. This house lives a lot like a home you might see in a place like Houston or even New York or out to California. It's rare. I mean, other homes here in the West End are older and can have a little bit of quirkiness, but there is your second en-suite for your second bedroom. Again, we've seen the master. This is what I call guest number 1, bedroom number 2. And again, we've got tile in here. And again, if I didn't mention the price, I believe I did off the top, $7,995 for either one of these, just over 2,000 a square foot. And in case we didn't notice here, each bedroom also has a closet. Obviously a walk-in closet, the master, but closets everywhere, and a nice feature to have some extra. I'll circle back with you real quick just to show you how that front door works. So anyway, just want to show you the big door and what will be a glass panel on the left there, which I'd love to point out for you, but I won't. All right. So you've seen 2 bedrooms, the master and guest number 1. Then we'll head over here, another closet here, lots of storage, lots of room for your stuff. And then into bedroom number 3 on the ground floor, or guest number 2. And again, you'll see it's quite spacious, 9-foot ceilings everywhere on this ground level. Of course, we'll see a flat screen TV there. House is wired very nicely. People sometimes ask if it's going to be a smart home. And in fact, I think that's sort of an outmoded idea because, you know, these days with all the plugins you can do for security, like Simply Safe or Nest, all these things are, you know, built into your wireless system. So yes, smart home, alarm will be included. Wow, okay, I might have to ask that fellow to slow down just for a minute. So there's a good look at what will be a shower, and a commode will be in here too. You can see that tile work is in and unique. Every single bathroom is just a bit different, which is really kind of fun and nice. And there you have it. There's your sink. Again, there'll be a backlit mirror there, which is kind of fun. So again, a closet in here. Let me get you into, this is going to be dark today. Sorry we didn't open up this door, but this is, again, here's our garage, 2-car, and we'll come right in here because this is going to be our everyday entrance. And this is a mudroom. You'll see a bench here and some cubbies, which are great. There we go. Thank you. And then we've got what's going to be a laundry room in here. How are you today? Thank you. And so you've got what will be a side-by-side washer and dryer, of course, included. And look at this. You don't see this except in the city. All this folding area and storage, you know, stuff that you can overflow from the garage, even a window there for you. There'll be a sink there, right? Sink in there? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. These guys are really putting up with me today. They are trying to get this done. All right, 2-car garage. Give you a quick little pan there. Isn't that nice? I'm not sure what that shelving is, but it's extensive. I'll ask. And then you got a little bump out here. You got the room for the 2 cars, and then you got lots of storage in there. Perhaps that's what that is. That's what I'm going to guess. And 2 garage doors and a nice big alley. So you're not going to tighten up in here. You got lots of moving room. And in fact, we'll also have an EV charger in here. If you're not familiar, that's how you charge up those electric cars and carts. And they're a lot of fun from an environmental standpoint. That's what we're all about here in Aspen, that Canary Initiative. And you get free or at least reduced parking privileges. So easy to park, so easy to get into town. So there is your stairway up, and this is really, it's always fun to show. It's just so dramatic. The heart of the house. Sorry for the bumps here, but I'm keeping my hands on this camera. There's the top of that dumbwaiter I mentioned. Yeah. Fellas, I'll just be in here for 5 quick minutes. Thank you so much. So here you go. Boy, look at that. That is a huge open window door set. I'll take you over to the side in a minute, but these are essentially pocket windows. So you're going to have essentially 5 to 6 panes of glass there. They're going to close in the middle, open up. And so you can really have this whole thing open to nature. You got a transom set of windows up there. They're still covered with plastic, so they'll bring in plenty of light. As we're standing here, we're looking due south. And so as I take you outside, you'll understand what we're looking at in terms of views. And then I'll circle back and show you this whole room. Sure appreciate it. I'll be soon. So we're working on what's going to be a snow melt deck. You see, it's enormous. We're essentially on top of the garage here. And we've reinforced this too, so you can put a hot tub out here. We'll have stub outs for the grill and also for a garden hose so you can clean things up, water your plants. So if you can make this out, I can't zoom now, but you'll see that that's Thunderbolt. We're looking at Highlands here. And then a beautiful set of cottonwoods, most of which will remain. And then if those leaves come down in the fall and of course winter, you'll get a good look at what is Shadow Mountain on the side of Aspen. So, you know, your views don't stink. All right, let's move quickly. Give our friend here a quick cameo. Thank you. You're getting a look at just the beautiful window work, and you can probably see the ceiling that starts dramatically at 9 feet, works up to 14, just to give you that inside-outside feel. There's your kitchen. We're getting the cabinets in. This is a really cool German-engineered cabinetry system. You'll have one side of a refrigerator, one side of a freezer, and again, you're sort of open concept. You are open concept to what this beautiful living area is. I can't get back there today, but there's a look at the sink will be there under the window, and you'll have a pantry just around to the right, and that's your work area there. And then there's your countertop, have some seating all around. So there's your big window door again. This will be sort of an informal dining room, and then we're over here to what will be your living area. So it's all right here. There's the fireplace for the den, and there'll be a screen TV above that. And I'll just take you up to that gorgeous white oak ceiling. By the way, white oak on the floor, different color, lots of contrast, lots of color, and lots of mixed media materials. All right, there's the stairwell again. I'm gonna try not to trip on a cord or a broom here. And now we'll take you into, you saw 3 bedrooms down below, including the master. Hey, thanks a lot, I appreciate it. And now we're into bedroom number 4. And look at this. Look at that beautiful cantilevered ceiling. Very dramatic. Even the windows are like that. So everything up here on this top floor, almost double vaulted, giving you lots of that psychological headroom. And this can also be used and utilized as an office. So certainly an upstairs guest / office. That's sort of how we've done these. Keep in mind, this particular developer has done this type of project before. We did a set of 2 townhomes and a single family house over on Spruce, and very similar in terms of design. And once we get these sold, there are other projects. The next one seems to be over on McSkimming. So that will be really, really great, just east of downtown, but very easily accessible by the dial-a-ride system. So giving you a look at this. Thanks for being patient, just trying to get all the information in there for you. There is your closet again. Again, every bedroom's got a closet, every bedroom's got lots of windows, and there is your bath, okay? Showers going in, new tile. And, you know, these cabinets are great because they're modern in look, and they've got lots of drawer space. That one's still wrapped in plastic. All right, and here's your half bath or vanity for what is the living area that I showed you up here with those dramatic windows. There's another set of really attractive tile. That's probably the fanciest one, and we'll see what that looks like. Got to give you one last look at that. I mean, it's just my favorite part of the house, and then just that dramatic upshift from 9 to 14 feet. All right, LED lighting, of course, throughout. Let's go down the stairs. Again, still holding onto the camera, so watching my footwork here. By the way, in terms of the stairway, this is going to be a glass partition with a nice chrome top on it and some accents, and so you'll have that open look here and not so closed in. Really, really cool in terms of the clear banister look. All right, I'm not exactly sure where we are in time, but I think I've got just a few minutes to get you downstairs. And I'm going to get you away from that noise. So again, you've seen now 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and a half bath up there as the vanity. Okay? Call that the powder too. But now, and that deck, you know, you can count that deck as another room too. It really is outdoor living space. All right, well, I'm going the wrong way here. Thanks, fellas. This is your bonus room. Let me give you a nice slow pan here. Big square footage on these houses, by the way. just south of 4,000. Let's call it 4,000. Not including that deck, not including that garage, but certainly including this space. Let me get you past this light. And you probably notice coffered ceilings up here. So you're getting up towards, oh, I think you're up to 11 feet here. And that coffer will be underlit. And that'll be nice because certainly one use for this room, and there's your bathroom in there, as another worker is getting it done, is built for a big screen TV. And there's a little shelving there for DVDs or, electronic equipment, books. And so what you're looking at here is pretty much the area where you'd set up your couches. And then frankly, if you needed to, you could set up some bunks down here. Boy, what a great place to put the kids. You could be upstairs cocktailing on the deck and they could be down here doing whatever it is they do. Get them off the iPad or the Wi-Fi. Maybe they'll read a book. Right. Okay, and here you go. This is gonna be the bar, a wet bar. And we're still making progress on that, but I'll take you around because it always gives you a nice perspective. And this would be a great spot right here, this wall, for one of those dramatic, translucent wine storage. But look how long that is. And here you are behind your bar, holding court. I'll give you one more look at that. All right, guys, thanks for putting up with the technical difficulty with the gimbal. Hopefully you got a good look at anything, or everything rather. Again, we're at 825 and 837 West Smuggler. 2 homes, almost identical in nature. These beautiful mountain contemporary finishes, and they're available for $7,995. And tell you what, with the way the market is moving, get your clients here, get yourself here. And if I can help you further, or Craig, please reach out to us. My phone number, 970-948-2265. Scott.bayens@sir.com. And certainly I can put you in touch with Craig too. But again, co-listed with Craig and me here. And I hope I've given you enough information. I try to think of it all. But you guys have a good day. I appreciate it. I'm Scott Bayens from Scott Bayens Properties and Aspen Snowmass Sotheby's. Thanks for looking at these with you today. Co-listed with Craig Morris. And excited to hear from you. There's lots to talk about, lots to see, and happy to take you through anytime as a private show. Take care, everybody. Thank you.